You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation. It all started when we first tried to pump maple syrup.
Welcome back to It Sump. Let's cut right through the logistics. The TripleSafe sump pump has 3 powerful pumps in one liner. The first pump, awesome. The second pump kicks in when things get scary. The third has your back in a power outage with its battery backup. We know they're great. Our customers know they're great. Our crew puts their snacks on the lines every month to prove how great they are. Every month, we pick the field trainer, they pick what we sump. This week, we chose one of our field supervisors, Logan.
In honor of National Ice Cream Cone Day on September 24th, we decided to fill our crock with ice cream. If you ever have ice cream enter your basement from the outside, definitely call us. We'll see in a moment if ice cream is a worthy match for our TripleSafe sump pump. Dan's impressed and proud. Dan expects more from our sump pumps. Dan knows our sump pumps won't let him down. Dan loves ice cream cones.
No Dan was hurt during the filming of this production.